Do you have sausage at home? Do it today. Here I'm using 1 kilogram of Tuscany sausage, and now I will remove all the stuffing from this skin. Once that's done, season with a little pepper in the black and stir everything with your hands. Now add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and remix it. That's perfect. Now just pass it all onto a plastic. Then put another plastic on top and start spreading all the sausage. When the sausage is fully spread, use a roll of dough and go over it. Remove the plastic from above and start filling. Here I'm using 6 slices of ham. A little onion cut into slices, half can of green corn, 100 grams of bacon, olive to taste, and 8 slices of mozzarella. Now, just start stalling. Keep your wind up and straining till the sausage doesn't open. Are you ready? It's going to stay that way. Now, just pass the sausage to a shape and on top put some tomato sauce. And to give it that special touch, put some oregano. Now just take the sausage to the oven at 200 degrees for an hour. Look how amazing it looks. There's no way to resist that stuffed sausage. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love. This recipe at your lunch or dinner will be the most successful. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching!